India's foreign trade in financial year 2025 to 26 showed moderate growth, but the overall picture remains mixed. Total exports reached 863.14 billion US dollars, growing by 4.59%, while total imports increased to 964.65 billion US dollars, up by 4.86%. As a result, India's overall trade deficit widened to 101.52 billion US dollars. Merchandise exports remained almost stagnant, increasing by only 0.93% to 441.78 billion US dollars. In contrast, merchandise imports rose sharply by 7.46% to 774.98 billion US dollars, causing the merchandise trade deficit to expand to 333.2 billion US dollars. Exports of petroleum products, gems and jewelry, textiles, rice, iron ore, and spices declined, while engineering goods, electronics, marine products, and meat products recorded strong growth. The services sector continued to be the major strength of India's external trade. Services exports grew by 8.72% to 421.36 billion US dollars, while services imports declined by 4.55%. Consequently, the services trade surplus increased significantly to 231.68 billion US dollars. The United States remained India's largest export destination, followed by the UAE and China. Exports to China, Spain, Hong Kong, and Vietnam recorded strong growth. On the import side, China remained India's largest supplier, followed by the UAE, Russia, and the USA. India also expanded its export presence across Asia, Africa, and Latin America, and entered 1,821 new product market combinations, indicating greater diversification. Engineering goods and electronic products emerged as key growth drivers. However, a major concern is the prolonged stagnation of merchandise exports. Over the last 4 years, merchandise exports have shown almost no growth, while services exports have driven overall export performance. Since manufacturing exports generate more employment than services, this trend raises concerns for job creation, industrial growth, and long-term economic development. India's large and growing trade deficit with China also remains a significant challenge. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And before you leave, don't forget to answer this question in the comments below. Question: which country was India's largest export destination in financial year 2025 to 26? A. China. B. UAE. C. USA. D. UK.